Okay. We are in Burlington, Colorado, and I had to run in and plug my phone in, but there are 3 sirens out here, an STH-10, which is right beyond that tree line, a 3T22, which you might hear the low tone to, and a Model 3 way out there. So we're just going to chill up here for a second until they go off. That thing over there is not the siren, that's a light for the pool. The STH-10 is actually behind the trees there. We should hear it go off here at any time now. It's so cold out here, not even funny. Switch hands because this hand's going numb. Might put a skip ahead thing in the video, so I don't want it to get too long. We'll see. Turn it down here. Alright. Sounded like the 3T22 tried to go off, or maybe that was the Model 3. But you could definitely hear the STH-10. Well, anyway, that'll be it for this video.